Thank God.
Can already, yeah.
Yeah. Pelik pula. Chun. Alright, mantap. What's up, Boskur? What's up, brother? Hey, price approach buy zone, huh? Price approaching buy zone, guys. Jom rompak broker tonight. Let's go. Let's go. Betul. Alright, boys. Tonight is CPI. High risk, high reward. I've decided what my risk is going to be for tonight. I'm going to be risking a $500 account. And I will be going full margin. High risk, high reward. Decide what your risk is going to be. If you're going to take trades before the news, I'm going to be buying before the news. As long as price comes in my zone, I don't care what the news data is going to be like. I've already decided what I'm about to be risking. It's going to be $500 for tonight. So let's go. Whatever happens during the news, if it works out in our favor, good. Doesn't work out in our favor, nobody cares. We'll just have to see what happens after the news and then take our next subsequent trades after that. But I won't be on live for long, guys. Alright, I won't be on live for long because TikTok is being a little bit of a pain in the ass. Right, so price has pretty much just touched in the buy zone. Alright, I'm going to enter a couple of layers over here. Alright, we have just tapped into the B zone, boys. Alright, so I'm going in for some buys right now, boys. paste 3 3, right, 4 3 3 3, right, let's go. Will you be live later? We'll see. We'll see if the market permits me to do live. 3344 3341 okay juga. Boleh juga. My buy level is until 46, guys. Strong bearish momentum, you want to buy? I want a full margin buy, bro. I want to full margin buy. SL 43. No SL lah, guys. You trade news like this, all you want to use SL for what? If you're trading before the news, you don't have an SL. If you're trading after the news, then we can decide the SL. Three 341 smaller zone there, bro. 3341 already triggered lah, bro. I don't think price would come back there. I think maximum we should probably go down to 46, 46.5, somewhere there. So if we go there, probably layer fully there. We have another 10 more minutes remaining, boys. If you guys are trading CPI before the news, I'm going to tell you guys once again, it's high risk, high reward. Are you staying after the news? We'll see, guys. I don't know. I might not. I might not. I don't know. God damn. It's a nice pullback right now to the area of a H1's double bottom breakout retest, H1's demand retest, M30 also double bottom breakout retest, demand retest, and we already blew. Hello. SL, brother, if I told you before, I'm not going to tell you once again. All right? If you're trading before the news, we do not use an SL. And if you don't know what the SL is, that means you're not in WFX Capital Club. Join in WFX Capital Club. The setup has been shared there. Running 25 pips, boys. 35 pips. If you takut MC, don't trade before the news. As simple as that. Wow, so blur. Huh? Running good. 40 pips almost. $41 pips done. You want to secure, you can secure, guys. Right? If you don't want to hold to the news, you want to secure your 40 pips, you can secure your 40 pips. Aduh, aduh. 60 pips, boys. Sedap ke tak sedap? Instant ke tak instant? Profit ke tak profit? Trust the wolf. Always, always, always trust the wolf. As simple as that. Doesn't get simpler. Right, running $156 right now. Right, this is almost 30% of my account. I'm probably gonna go ahead and maybe set break evens. So this trade right now, we officially can't lose money from already. Why is sound angry, bro? I'm pissed with TikTok, lah, bro. Very, very pissed off with TikTok. Look at the shadow entry, boys. This is just marvelous stuff, brother. Marvelous, marvelous stuff. Oh my god.
Tried to hold it together, but I can't pretend. I'm tired of
Alright guys, I'm gonna be layering some more right now over here. Entering more buys over here right now. I'm going in full margin, eh? I like the M5 close. We've got a nice morning star on M5. We've got a nice rejection on M30, nice rejection on M15. But M5 is what's making me want to layer even more. So I'm entering more buys over here. Is the chat disabled, guys, so you guys can hear me, you guys can type? Can you guys type in the chat? Or is the chat disabled? I'm not seeing any comments. Tak boleh chat ke? Right, boys, 20 seconds left.
Incoming mail.
Fly ke tu, Aknat? Ada fly ke tu? Oh yeah, boy. Let's cash it in. Let's cash it in. Oh yeah, boy. Settle. Settle. Settle, 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 settle. Can't see any comments, sir. Oh, now I can see comments. Now I can see comments. Now I can see comments. Shit. I couldn't see any comments. Right, boys. Beautiful, 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 beautiful CPI buys. All the way up. I think we got about, what, 70 pips on that. Cashed it in. Right, CPI announcement from here. Price went up 60 pips from our initial buy zone, 111 pips. Let me just check the data real quick. Wow, this stream, I don't know what the fuck is wrong with my camera, but it's bloody terrible lah guys. That's all I can say lah. Terrible, terrible, terrible camera, terrible zoom. So bad. Right, so CPI had 0.3, so this is an increase. Right, monthly CPI is an increase. Core CPI is a decrease, so this is a mixed data over here. CPI yearly over yearly, we have a 0.1 basis point increase. Right, so which means that this is an overall mixed data. That's the reason why you see price going all the way towards the upside, spiking up, and then reversing back towards the downside. Right, so overall data is mixed. The price can dump, like it can come lower to our initial targeted levels, which is at like 4.6 or whatnot. But yeah, CPI is a win, boys. CPI is a win, a very, very nice win. Right, $500 account currently is at $1,190, 100% flip. Movan, try Twitch live. Alright guys, I'm not gonna be live for long guys. I just wanted to do the CPI live trade with you guys because I was confident that we're about to fly. You guys saw me full margining, you guys saw me flipping, you guys would have all probably also flipped. You gotta be quick. We came back below this level, tapped into the M1 buy zone right over here. Wow, interesting. Alright, this is a small account that I traded. I deposited $300, made $1,000 on this. Right, this was a nice, I don't know how many percent flip is this guys, 300 to 1,000. Right, secured at the right precise point. Bro, try not financial advice on TikTok. I tried everything already, bro. Nothing works. Nothing works, nothing works. Like I told you guys, trading before the news is always high risk, but it's high risk, high reward, right? So I took the risk with the $500 account, made $700. With a $300 account, made $1,000. Now, we just gotta wait for the next potential move. You look at the way this M30 candle is whipsawing right now, it has taken out buyers, it has taken out sellers as well, right? Sellers that sold got taken out here, buyers that bought got taken out over here. So we gotta wait for this candle to close to see if we are closing bearish. Yeah, if we're closing bearish, then we can probably go to our initial buy level, which I highlighted for you guys, which was somewhere down below here. 3335 to 3333, somewhere around this level here. Could be, right, price could just wanna come here. If not, if we close bullish, then we probably might see markets going up much higher lah. Will be interesting to see because this is a breakout right now, a double top breakout, price pullback here, couldn't break above this previous support that broke out. So upon the support breaking out, we got the retest over here, high secured at the ultimate peak. Madness. And then markets reverse back down. So let's see, maybe 3335, 3333 may happen after all. I still have my buy limits from yesterday morning that I placed over here. This will be the paling precise punya level lah. What's wrong with my phone lah? Zoom in like that and you still cannot see the price. Aduh. Seems like liquidity sweep, right, bro? 3340. Yeah, in May. I'm just glad I got the first movement. Yeah, rate cuts may delay, that's right. So blur, bro. So blur. I'm getting so fucking annoyed right now. Price increases as expected. IG live better. No lah, bro. I'm not gonna do live for long. Right, live for a while only. US June CPI headline came in slightly above expectations at 2.7% versus 2.6% consensus, while core CPI was slightly below 2.9% versus 3.0 consensus. This mixed result signals persistence but not accelerating inflation, complicating the federal funds rate outlook as tariffs begins to materialize. Markets may see short-term volatility with the US and the US bonds reacting most directly. Future Fed policy remains uncertain and risk assets could remain sensitive to further inflation surprises. Why not live longer? No mood, bro. US consumer price rose 0.3% in June, matching expectations but accelerating from May. Annual inflation reached 2.7%, moving further from the Fed's 2% target. With core inflation slightly cooler than expected and the Fed likely to hold rates steady, markets may see limited immediate reactions. However, persistent inflation and looming tariffs could weigh on future Fed policy and risk sentiment. Overall, I'd say it's a positive news for USD. The initial pump that we had was primarily because the core inflations had an increase. Core CPI, I mean USD decrease, USD bearish. So this was the markets reacting towards the decrease in core CPI. CPI is bullish for USD, and yearly is also bullish for USD. So I think markets can have the potential of coming all the way lower. Right, boleh je kalau kita nak junam, pop dekat sini and then reverse balik dekat atas. But what we want to monitor right now is this 3346 level lah, guys. 3346 buyers can come in. It is a previous demand level. It is a previous support level. It is also the Fibs 0.786 level. So if we break 3346, then the idea for us to go all the way up to all the way down to 3335, 33, maybe even potentially 3321, 3320 is there lah. But this is looking bearish. H4 has a potential dekat sini, dia boleh form a potential engulfing cell, right? A bearish engulfing over here. H1 you can see a clean breakout already. This is your demand level right now lah. We want to see if we break or if we reject from here. I bought but it was selling from my end. Well, you didn't secure properly, bro. You didn't secure on time, right? You didn't secure on time. I also bought but I was able to cash in gains. Yeah, M15s lah, bro. M15, like I told you guys, M30 just now we had a whipsaw, right? This whipsaw basically closed as a inverted, as a doji candlestick, right? And now we are seeing a potential push to the downside. Just now we were somewhere around here. Now we are pushing towards the downside. So this tells us that the direction as of now is overall still bearish. And M15 closing in another 3 more minutes. That should tell us that if there's an engulfing cell over here, if there's a supply formed over here, we should potentially go lower lah. At least, right? At least another, how many pips, huh? Yeah, now my mouse also decides to give away. Perfect. Great. Another 100, 120 pips. The lowest that I look at price coming towards is 3321 lah. 250 pips. Hello. Cash $200, brother. Nice. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Quick gains, guys. Never say never to. Never say no to quick gains. $46 showing signs of a temporary rejection. I think we have a H4 BME over here as well, right? H4 BME was on O and yeah, so we had a previous H4 support over here, 3353, all the way down until 3349. Price broke below, broke back above. Yeah, we want to see if we can actually break below this 49 level or not. If we do that, then yes, potentially markets can come down below here lah. 3335, maybe even down to 2120. Have you guys bought at 46? You're up about what, 30 pips right now? 30, 35 pips. 40 pips. $10 to 60. Beautiful. What are your thoughts on backtesting? It's very important, bro. Very important to do it. Nice rejection so far. M15's not closing bearish, guys. M15's bearish. Confirmation will be a breakout below 3349. We don't break out 3349. We are still bullish overall. $28, 29 seconds left. I might decide to buy back at 5149 if we get a nice reaction. I would most probably use this M5 support level here. Break below, break above, pull back. I will buy back again here. Alright, M5 has closed bullish. Probably gonna take some risk here, guys. M15 close also. M15 closing with a rejection. M30 has not. H1 has not. Rejecting from the demand level. M5 has a BME. Okay, I might take some risk, guys. Right, might take some risk. Risking about 35 pips. Going for buys. Torpedo, todos te quieren. Very bodoh lah, I close $1 and eat pacha. If FOMO press all, then it. Wait, pullback. Can't wait for pullback lah, bro. I'll just enter some instant entries lah. $5.1 to $4.9. I sell at $4.6. Okay lah, can try. Wow, TT live so lag. This is YouTube, boys. Oleo de los días. Los andos. I'm basically risking back the profits that was made, yeah, boys, for this setup. So about $400, $500 risk like that. Cannot raise 10k likes. Unfortunately not, bro. TikTok doesn't want us on their platform, so be it. We'll just have to make do with what we get for now. Lo que no saben es quiero te voy a gozar. Yeah, yeah. En que tú eres mía, mía, tú sabes que eres mía, mía, tú mis maravillías. Beautiful reaction. That's 35 pips, boys. You want to cash it in? Cash it in. TP where, bro? TP 13354, bro. Alright, that's TP1. $165. I'm gonna cash it in. And we'll hold the rest. Two beautiful instant sniper entries, boys. Right, lock it in, lock it in, lock it in, lock it in. You're already up 40 pips. Right, 40 pips is good. Lock it in. SL's at 4.6, TP is up here at 3.364, guys. But we're going to take TPs at 3.354 and we're going to hold the rest. Probably you want to set BEs, you can set BEs. Sorry guys, the stream is not the best that I could do. But this is all that I can do for now. Gotta make do because TikTok is starting to be an ass. So we have to use YouTube, and YouTube, I don't know why, there's a little bit of a blur and a little bit of a lag. So if you guys missed it, you guys missed it. Right, almost 50 pips, boys. Almost 50 pips, almost 50 pips. Oh, it's 50 pips already. Nice. Lock it in. If you guys took entries, lock it in. M15 might do a QM buy over here. Sorry guys, battery died. Share screen from my Mac. This is my Mac, bro. You mean to what's that? Screen share from Mac, is it? That will cause a lot of lag, bro. That lag will be up to a minute, bro. I've tried that before. Mia bukan admin ke? Mia admin lah. Yo, what the fuck? Why is it shutting down again? Guys, I think we're gonna end the live here first. Right, I'll see if later we can do back live because my batteries are low and the stream is not working out really well. I don't know what the heck is the problem. But I will see you guys in a bit, okay? Before the live ends by itself again, I will just end it here and we'll come back again. We caught two absolutely beauty of buys. We caught buys before the news and we caught this buys over here. Gave us about 50 pips. Make sure you guys lock in your gains. Set your BEs. If your BEs are hit, your BEs are hit. Alright, I'll see you guys in a bit. Peace out. One love.